We've discussed aspects of career development on the podcast before. Back in episode 83, we talked about taking ownership of your career through career development. How do you think learning new skills supports career development?
Well, I think, that's kind of an interesting question for me because I am a lifetime learner and I can't imagine not wanting to learn new skills. But I think the critical piece today is AI is not going to take your job. But somebody who has learned to use AI in your role may very well, or at the very least, they could leapfrog you and take that promotion away from you. If a company's doing layoffs because of AI is enabling them to do it with fewer people, they're not going to get rid of the people who know how to use AI because that's what they want to leverage, right? So there's a whole bunch of things specifically around why you would want to do career development for AI. I think anybody that sits in their job and does not learn and grow, their value doesn't increase for the company. So it's critical, even if you don't want to learn AI, and I get that some people don't. That's fine. We can talk about the pros and cons of that later. But you need you need to take responsibility for your own development in order to increase the value that you provide to your employer.
Agreed. And to your point, if you're not doing that, your employer is either looking for someone else who can, or, another system or another tool. So it's important to think ahead there.